Drill. Aims of drill: to inculcate a sense of discipline, improve bearing, smartness in appearance and turnout, to create self confidence, to develop the quality of immediate and implicit obedience to orders. Things to be followed prior to proceeding for drill: dress should be washed and properly pressed, all the buttons of the dress should be stitched, dress should neither be loose nor tight, shoes should be polished and shoelace tied properly, belt should be polished and its brass parts should be cleaned with brasso, belt should not be too tight or loose, haircut should be proper, shaving of beard prior to drill be done, the cap should be put properly on head. Types of commands: cautionary and executive. Examples of words of commands: Savdan, attention; Vishram, stand at ease; Aram, say, stand easy; Daine or Baye or Pichemur, right or left or overturn; Ada Daine or Baye or Pichemur, inclining; Kulila inchil, open order march; Niket inchil, closed order march; Daine such, right dress; Visurgent, dismiss; line thought, fall out; Testchal, quick march; Thumb, halt; Daine or Baye gum, right or left field; Kadamtal, mark time. Savdan position: heels together forming 30°, knees straight, body erect, chest lifted and curved, shoulders square falling equally, arms hanging straight down, head erect, chin vertical, eyes straight to the front, weight of the body resting equally on the heels and shoes. Difference between Visarjan and line thought: in Visarjan, end of the parade, and salute is given if authorized officer is present in the parade. Line thought is a break in the parade temporarily and salute is not given. Length of pace and time of marching: in slow time march, length of pace in inches 30, pace in a minute is 70. In quick time march, length of pace in inches 30, pace in a minute is 120 and equivalent distance in yards is 100. In double time march, length of pace in inches 40, pace in a minute is 180 and equivalent distance in yards is 200. Number of steps to be taken per minute while on pilot duty is 70. Angle formed at the heels is in Savdan is 30°. Distance between the feet in Vishram is 12 inches or feet. Generally, during march on which feet any command started is left. The different salutes at the march are Daine or Baye or Samne salute. Inflection is the rise and fall of voice in word of command. In Vishram, the left foot is taken 6 inches high. Rank is a straight line formed by the person standing side by side. File is a straight line formed by the person behind the other covering the man in the front. Squad in drill, the rank and file together makes a squad. The length of guard of honor, strength of guard of honor for the president is 150 cadets stand in 3 rows. General salute is given to major general and above. The number of persons detailed for guard mounting in quarter guard is 2 plus 6. While Kulila inchil, open order march, the front rank shoots the right foot 1 step, 1 full step, and left foot 1 short step, and lift right bring to the 2 feet together, arms to sides throughout the rear rank conforms to similar movements to the rear. While marching in quick time, the word of command thumb is given when left foot touches the ground. The 2 types of drill are open drill and closed drill. When the strength of cadets is more than 9, 3 files will be made. Visarjan denotes that parade is completely terminated. A drill movement comes after getting to Savdan. When there is no need to fall in again, the officer is available in the parade. The command given to disperse the parade is Visarjan. Some bad habits of drill are rolling of eyes, hopping and jumping, dragging of foot, clicking the heel, etc. The distance between 2 ranks in Kulila inchil is 75 inches. In Kulila inchil, the distance between front ranks to the back rank is 150 inches. Proper execution of any command is directly proportional to the number of men and distance. Distinctness depends on proper use of tongue, lips and teeth. In Vishram, foot is raised 6 inches and carried 12 inches to the left. Dainamur and Pichamur involves turning 90° and 180° towards right. National salute to the President of India. General salute Major General. Salami salute all other dignitaries above the rank of Major. Bagal Shastra officers of rank Captain and below. To inspect the squad for squad drill, it is necessary for the squad to be in open order. In numbering, the center and rear rank take the number of front rank. The volume of command is directly proportional to the number of cadets. Cadet strength. Maximum number of side pace can be taken at the time is 12. In inclining, the squad turns through 45 degree. Pace of T-Chel per minute for NCC Girl Cadet is 110. In slow march, Dheere Chal, hand swinging is not done. Ceremonial parade is 150 cadets of cadet training. Adha Daine or Adha Bayemur is through 45 degree only. The word of command, halt, is given when the left foot reaches the ground. Open order march is done to inspect the squad and the squad drill. It is necessary for the squad to be in open order that the front rank and the rear rank take half step forward and backward respectively, while the whole center rank still. Word of command should be given in loud and clear so that the squad can hear clearly. Given by in two parts, cautionary and executive. Cautionary word of command should be given in loud voice and executive word of command should be louder and sharper. One who gives the word of command should be in southern position. Guard of honor can be presented to the President, Vice President and Prime Minister, the governors of the state and Lieutenant Governor, Defense Minister, Minister in the Ministry of Defense. Sequence in which saluting and handing over a message is done. Halt, salute, take one step forward, take out the message with right hand over the message, take one step behind. Thank you.